Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the combination of resistances, in which first we will discuss the series combination. Here I have made a diagram in which three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series with a battery of EMF E. In series combination, the resistors are joined end to end, is like this. In this combination, the same current flows in all resistances, means the I current will go through R1, through R2 and through R3. The current remains same, but the potential difference between their ends are different according to their resistances. Let it is V1 between AB, V2 between BC and V3 between CD. If we suppose that I current is flowing through the circuit, then V1 is equals to IR1. Similarly, V2 is equals to IR2 and V3 is equals to IR3. If the potential difference between A and D is capital V, then V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3, means V is equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3, or IR1 plus R2 plus R3. If we suppose that the equivalent resistance between A and D is capital R, then V is equals to IR. Let this is equation number 1 and this one equation number 2. Now on comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get IR is equals to IR1 plus R2 plus R3, or I will cancel I, so R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula for series combination of resistances. In this, the equivalent resistance is equal to the individual resistances that are connected in series. The thing we must remember in the case of series is that the current remains same. Now we will discuss the parallel combination, in which I have made a diagram here. Here three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel and also connected across a battery of EMF E. In this combination, the current in various resistors is different, but the potential remains same. Let if the current be I1, I2 and I3 across R1, R2 and R3, then the total current I will be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. The total current I will be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. if the potential difference between AB be, suppose it is V, then I1 is equals to V upon R1. Similarly, I2 is equals to V upon R2, and I3 is equals to V upon R3. Substituting these values in the above equation, we will get I is equals to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. If the equivalent resistance between A and B be R, capital R, then I is equals to V upon R. Now on comparing these equation 1 and 2, we will get V upon R is equals to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3, or 1 upon R is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the formula for equivalent capacitance in the parallel combination. Means the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the reciprocal of all resistances connected in parallel, the sum of all resistances that are connected